So for our fish stock, we'll first make a sachet. In a coffee filter, add 1 bay leaf, a few sprigs of thyme, some black peppercorns, and 1 clove. We'll wrap this up so that it's nice and tight. We'll then tie with some butcher's twine to ensure that it's sealed. I'll remove any excess twine with some shears. And there's our sachet ready to be added to our fish stock. Next we have our fish bones, and we're going to remove any blood or sinew that we find, as we don't want that in our stock. And I like to rinse these bones over a bowl of cold water. And here I'm cleaning the bones from a turbot I filleted earlier, which is another type of flatfish. As well as the head, which has a ton of collagen and will make our stock gelatinous. And the bones and head from a sea bream. Now for our vegetables, we have some thinly sliced carrots, thinly sliced celery, as well as onion, some mushrooms, and finally garlic. Next, we'll add some olive oil to a large stock pot, and on medium heat, we'll begin to add our vegetables, and we basically want to sweat them. Remember, the thinner the slice, the faster they will extract their flavor, and considering fish stocks only take 1 hour, we want a quick extraction. To speed up the sweating process, simply add a pinch of salt, which will help to release the juices within your vegetables. I'll then add my garlic, followed by my sliced mushrooms. Now as you can see, quite a bit of liquid has been released from our vegetables, which will help to flavor our stock. We'll add our fish heads and bones, then mix this really well. I'll then add 1 cup of white wine and ice cold water to cover. We'll mix this thoroughly and then add our sachet. Once it begins to foam, simply skim with a small strainer or ladle. Once I'm done skimming off the scum, I'll then begin to remove some of the excess oil on the surface. And here's the bubble activity that we want, a nice and gentle simmer. And we'll simmer this for 1 hour. Once done, we'll then add our fish stock to a chinois over top a cambro. And as always, we want to push out any remaining liquid from the chinois. And here's our beautiful fish stock ready to be used.